What's the meaning of All Souls Day? All Souls Day. All Souls Day. All Souls Day. All Souls Day. All Souls Day.
All Souls Day is a Christian holiday observed on November 2nd, the day after All Saints' Day. It is a day to remember and pray for the souls of the faithful departed who are believed to still be in purgatory. The belief is that through prayer and good deeds, the souls can be helped on their journey towards heaven. The holiday originated in the Catholic Church but is also celebrated in other Christian denominations. It is a day of remembrance and hope for believers, as they honor their loved ones who have passed away.